Yo, 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 Zenny up in the house coming at you with another reaction. Today we're gonna be reacting to X-Rain vs Monkey Z at China Breaking Dance League 2024. Whoa. B-boy solo final. Let's check it out. Final battle. That's how the Japanese say it. How would they say it? Final. Oh, crazy last. It's the final battle. It's the final battle. Better skedaddle, cause it's the final battle. Final battle. It's the final battle. Better skedaddle, cause it's the final battle. But it's X-Rain. X-Rain is about to rain on you like it was acid rain. This is gonna be pain in the membrane. Oh, 2 points. Oh, flare on the. Ooh, I like that too. That was cool. He is cooking right now. This man is cooking. 2 points. You know he's looking at you from the side. He's gonna glide. He ain't done. He's got a couple more points in him. 2 points with a nice glide. Told you he's gonna glide. Bam, he look, bam, bam. You know he's never gonna scram. Bam. Oh, beat his chest like he was a gorilla. He's like Thriller. Michael Jackson coming through like Manila. Woo! Yo, feel that shit. It's my boy, X-Rain. 16 points. 16 points for my boy, X-Rain. Who's he battling to forget? Monkey Z, let's go. It's the finals. It's the finals. Man's getting spinal. Monkey Z. Show you who the real gorilla be. He went in, yo. Nice. 2 points at the end. Slide in. Give him a point for the slide. I think I will. I'm feeling kind of hype, feeling kind of. Oh. Top rock point. Getting the top rock point because he's the top tops. Woo! 2 points. Ooh, that was cool. 2 points. Oh! Dang! I was like, I'm the anointed one, bro. That was like 790s. Woo! Oh. Woo! Yeah, you gotta go a little bit more, bro. So go a little bit more, and you got this. That was 16-16. Wow. That was a crazy round. That 90 was insane. I see that 90 again. Woo! That was hype. Woo! Blah, blah, blah. Woo! Let's go. Monkey Z. Now I see why they call you Monkey Z. Oh, he's nasty. Okay, let's see that second round though. Still got 2 more rounds to go. If I had to choose, I'm leaning towards Monkey, cause he responded and he responded very strong. So I'm gonna have to give it to Monkey. Yeah. Just jumped into a handstand. That wasn't much. 2 points for that. That's only 8 points. Uh-oh. Half of the first round. He's getting tired, or he's getting shook. He's getting shook at that 90. He's like, dang, this guy can do anything he wants. Woo! Yeah, man. Monkey's he's confident. Yo. He's like, bro, my body is on point right now. I can do anything I want. Woo! Bro, he just moves and his body type is just like made for breaking. Other side. Yo! I'm giving him 3 points for that. That's crazy. This man's got some crazy. 10 points. 8-10. He takes that round too. Bro, both sides. You understand how hard that is? He's like, one side air chair, other side bam. What? Yo, I couldn't even. To try and do air chair down on my left side would be like, I just break my wrist. Shoutouts. Oh no, X-Rain is shook, bro. X-Rain's like, dang, this man's killing it right now. X-Rain thought he was the one, but he ain't got the freezes. He's, dang, what should I do? No! You need to do like 790s. I'm just hating. Yeah, Monkey's really impressing me though. Nice dancing. Dancing is good. 2 points. I can't even see what you did there, but I'll give him 1 for that. 8. Monkey Z, he's on his crew. Monkey Z, let's go, Monkey Z. Woo, easy, let's go, W in your face. Big ass chair flare in your space. Oh, I'm so strong. Monkey Z, they call me Monkey. Look at me. Woo. Oh, no, that wasn't enough though. That wasn't enough. I was 6 to 8. So would have to give it to. It was 16-16 first round, but I would have to give it to Monkey Z because he just blew it out the park and he responded very strong. And then second round 8 to 10 for Monkey Z, and then second round 8 to 6 for X-Rain. So actually we get X-Rain in the last round. Should we watch that first round again? Let's watch it again. Let's watch it. We gotta make sure. He had a strong round. X-Rain had a strong round. Shout out to X-Rain. He makes the X's rain. Man's got X's. They come up to his house. They want his Lexus, but he's like, no, you can't get it. It's in my mom's name, ho. Ooh, that was actually a fire line. Makes the X's rain. He's got a lot of ex-girlfriends. 2 points. Yeah, I like that too. That was a sick flare. That was sick too. Dope. Dope. Looking at you. I like that. Yeah, he's feeling it. As any b-boy should in this round. Yeah. Okay, so I actually had 17. It's on the second count. So I had him 1 for the slide. Giving him a talk for our point. That's some nice tops. 2 points. 2. Ooh, 3 points for that. That was crazy. He's at a 9. That was crazy. 2 points. 1, 2. Game done. 1. Oh, still 16. I don't know. I can't give him a point for that last thing. That wasn't really anything. So, ooh, does X-Ray take the first round? 17 to 16? You let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. But yeah, second round 8 to 10. Let's see what the judges had to say. Respect shown. You like that? Respect shown. Shout out to the China scene. I want all my subscribers from China to leave a comment telling me who you thought won this battle and who is your favorite Chinese b-boy right now. And even non-Chinese subscribers should answer that too. Also, I want you guys to answer Who's your top 10 b-boys of 2024? So that I gotta think about that. I'm gonna make a video about my top 10 b-boys of 2024. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, X-Ray wins all rounds. Oh, I mean, Monkey Z won all rounds. All right. He killed it though. He killed it. Like I can definitely see why he won. Man. Like, when you're seeing that stuff all live, it hits so much more too. You have time to go back and check and whatever. But yeah, I can definitely agree with that decision. Let's see the comments. Monkey Z on fire, yo. Monkey Z on fire. Good. Monkey Z smashed it. Musicality blows power, yeah. Monkey Z is one dangerous dude. Yeah. X-Train looks much more mature compared to the other active Chinese b-boys. I'm wondering how long he's been in the game for. Yeah, his first round was sick. Monkey Z really impressed me, but X-Rain first round was really good. I had it 17 points. X-Rain to 16 for Monkey Z, but that 90 was insane. Where's that 90? I got a link to the 90. And that's how you do some e-boying. Thanks Fresh It TV for the footage. Shout outs to you guys. Like and subscribe for more Zenny Reacts. I gotta turn this off. Like and subscribe for more Zenny Reacts. And I'll see you on the next one. God bless you guys in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. And have a great weekend. Peace out.